My friends, good to see you back here. Simple Italian Cooking, you know, your place for easy and high quality homemade food. So today is a special day. I need to clean up my fridge, and I thought we will use up all the old veggies that are still in the fridge. I hate throwing away food, and it's not bad food, it's not expired yet, so I thought we will use it up. Let's have a look what we got. Let's see what we can use up from the fridge. So for example, we got here half potato, sweet potato, half zucchini, an onion, a pepper. What else? We got here fennel. Let's use all this, and I think we should do a minestrone today. This is always good when you want to combine different stuff. What else? Let's see. We got here tomatoes, we got carrots. Okay, I think a bit of garlic, ginger. Let's have a look. Let's watch carefully what we can use up today. So, fennel, half a fennel, very, very healthy, very, very delicious. We got this beautiful piece of pepper that needs to be used up. 1 or 2 carrots, a few tomatoes. We got this red onion. Red onion is always good. Let's say one garlic piece is good. Yeah. Half zucchini, why not? Why not? So what else we need? We usually, as usual, we will need olive oil, our standard spices, salt, pepper, a little bit of sugar perhaps. And, oh, by the way, you see these olives? You want to know where I got them from? Have a look, have a look. We are in mid-January, and this is still full of olives, and we will do something. Yeah, magic. Right. Look at this beauty. Tonight we will cook something nice with it. So these olives, they grow here all in the neighborhood, all over, and it's mid-January, but they're still available at the trees. So I really hate seeing food being wasted, so I just gather them and we will use them. So have a look now. Typical Italian veggie soup, and what we do for this, we will first of all heat up a little bit olive oil. This is a standard process that you also know from my previous videos. So we will heat up olive oil, and first of all slightly start frying garlic and onions. So I cut the garlic in small pieces, and so this minestrone is very suitable for these rather cold days, because they give a lot of energy. I will throw in these few olives. You will see soon they will look they will have a much nicer shape. Now they look a little bit dry, but once they soak the olive oil, they will look much better. So we will fry first of all the olives with the garlic and half red onion. Meanwhile, I think I can already cut this pepper in the interest of time. I don't want it. Yeah, as I said, it's a quick dish. It fits well in the series of simple Italian cooking, in the sense that it's really simple to produce, to cook. Basically, you cannot do much wrong if you use quality ingredients, and in particular, I mean quality vegetables, not necessarily good-looking vegetables, but quality biological vegetables, and fry them in quality olive oil. I can already smell. I can smell the good ingredients. I also cut this carrot. By the way, it's all cleaned, has been washed before I start cutting. And then later we will add a few spices and water, and you will see. Okay, my friends, so I will move on with the zucchini. from what I can see now, it seems to be a vegan day to you. So yeah, great news for my vegan friends. Only vegan ingredients we got today. Pepper, carrot, zucchini. Now I will cut the sweet potato into small pieces. The smaller, the quicker it will be cooked. Potatoes usually take a little bit longer. And we will also add the fennel. Fennel, very, very healthy. And by the way, I also wanted to tell you, we will also add later a little bit of these very small pasta type. It's called stelline, which means little stars. I will also add one slice of ginger. It's always good in these cold days. Helps your immune system to stay strong, especially in times of viruses. It's good to be safe, to stay safe, to stay healthy, in particular by eating healthy food. Okay, the fennel looks a bit ugly, but trust me, it's still good. Nothing will be thrown away here. Nothing. Cut this, small pieces, and add this as well. And after this, we can also add our spices, so a little bit of salt. By the way, did I mention that we got also the salvia leaves here? One salvia leaf is always good to add for any dish. So I will add it in the early frying stage. A little bit of pepper. A bit of sugar as well. And finally, we still need to use up this chili. That is moderately spicy. I think this will do the job. Okay, we have massively reduced the amount of ingredients. We will now add tomatoes. Oh yes, I can feel they are quite old, still good, but old. They need to be cooked, so I will fry them as well with those ingredients. And then finally we will also add a few basil leaves that I found in the fridge. Make a smaller one. And stir a little bit. The parsley we will just add at the very end of the cooking. So let this cook for about 3 minutes and then we will add. Okay, my friends, let's have a look here how we're doing. Come closer, please. After about 3 to 4 minutes of cooking, we are already pretty much there. The big message of today's video is: do not throw away food, do not waste food, and this applies also for wine. So do not throw away wine. Instead, we will use also the remaining white wine for this minestrone. It will also make a difference in the taste. So now, after a little bit of frying, has come the time to add the water. And we will let this cook for, let's say, another 10 minutes, and then we are ready to eat. Important is, do not overcook the veggies, otherwise not only they will get too soft, they will also lose the good power. Yeah. And vitamins, exactly, this is it. And also, the stelline, they have a very short cooking time of about 3 to 4 minutes, so we will add them at the... Okay, my friends, after about 10 minutes of cooking, let's have a look how this has developed. Wow. Oh, by the way, look at these olives. Look at these olives. Maybe this one, yeah. Remember how they looked like when I collected them from the tree? And this is how they look like after a little bit of cooking. So don't, as we say, don't judge a book by its cover. just use it, cook it, and you will see how it will make the difference and add value to your dishes, whatever you're cooking. So we got now the stelline. I just saw they have 6 minutes of cooking time. So let's say we will add about 50 to 100 grams. This should be enough. And let this cook for another 5 minutes. Okay, I think we are now ready. Yes, I can see the stelline are now al dente. And yes, it's all cooked well. Minestrone di verdure is ready to eat. And I will make the first portion. Wow. Amazing. And we should also finally add a little bit of parsley. Okay, my friends, so final comment. I'm doing more videos like this, so feel free to follow my channel. And I'm also happy to answer any of your questions. Just use the comments function and tell me that you're following me, and I will answer them as detailed as possible. So let's enjoy the food. Mmm.